Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
What's happening, Thunderbirds? Roy Rayner here, and today I'm chilling with Wolfie and just Dustin. Say what up to the crew.
Just popping.
Now, Wolfie's been editing all day. Dustin just finished filming. How many videos today? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a whole bunch. So, I got my boys dinner. You know I gotta hook the squad up. We got chicken nuggets, and today we are doing the chicken nugget trick shot challenge. My boy David Parody did one with impossible chick something, chick a whole bunch of stuff. He was playing horse, but he called it yeet. I don't really yeet much, but we are gonna call this game squaw. So it's SKWAA. I will do a trick with my chicken nugget, and then it is up to Dustin or Charlie to hit the same trick. Otherwise, you get a letter.
You gotta catch it in your mouth, or it doesn't.
You have to catch this in your mouth, and you can get the help of someone else. I'll just give you the example, Dustin. We're gonna start with a nice, easy cross table toss.
This game's gonna be a fucking joke.
That last one didn't count. I'm giving myself a freebie. We're working with S's here.
Ready?
Garbage. What the fuck? Do a trick shot you could do. Oh shit.
Bringing out props. I call this one coffin.
Yo, great shot.
Step one. Hold on, I got you, guys.
What was that?
Okay, yo, just hold the camera.
Quick, little! I hate this shit. I
Wow.
used to nuggets, so they're big.
Whoa.
You can only catch grapes.
One hand.
Whoa!
If you don't hit that, you won't get an S. Come on.
That's easier.
He basically placed it in his mouth. Got this one.
Word.
Okay, that's bullshit. Let's go.
That looked like it.
Alright, with the height.
Oh! This guy's a flop.
S. Oh my boy.
Chicken nuggets? More like. Get the fuck out of here!
Right?
I'll go next.
Alright, pick one.
Alright, this one I call the alley-oop. Ah! Fuck!
No chance. I was gonna smoke my face on the table.
We're gonna use the wall as alley. Alright?
Word.
No.
No, what do you mean no. No.
Bro, so how many shots do you get with the horse? You did underhand?
I did underhand
Oh,
toss.
that has a nice trajectory.
Yeah, that's good.
I need one try. You get S.
Come on,
What
dog.
would be good?
Hit this. SK.
It just smoked my tooth.
SK, son.
Let's come to the stairs. Dustin's gonna be chilling at the top of the stairs, and I'm just gonna be grabbing in my mouth. Okay, we're good.
Yeah.
This is called the chocolate dropper. Go!
Chocolate drop.
Ah! Fuck, that's hard.
Did you hear that? Just smoked
That
his
is
tooth.
hard. I'm dropping. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Was that it?
Nice try, bro. You're allowed adjusting?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can adjust.
Where you want it.
Yeah, that looks like it's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Did he get it?
Got it.
That was a swish.
Oh shit.
This is performance enhancement. Open your mouth. Look at that.
Yeah, you have a big mouth.
Come on, this guy's mouth says my face.
I know, bro. His mouth is 90% of his face. So then I got an S.
Dustin has an SKW. I got an S.
So
You're
it's
finished.
my shot now?
Your shot.
Alright. I'm wrong.
Okay. Who gives Dustin a free point? What? Half nugget? Bro, that significantly makes it easy.
Okay, mouth to nugget ratio, I'm still on point with you guys right now. Your mouth in comparison to this nugget and my mouth in comparison to this nugget is about accurate.
I call this the orca.
Okay.
He didn't get it.
I didn't get shit.
Not a chance.
That toss was trash.
No, that
Way
was.
better straight on. Ready?
I believe I can fly.
Wow, bro. The nugget's over there. The nugget's there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do the 360 twirl. I quit. We're doing half nugget.
Alright, roll long range on this. I want the full basement.
3, 2, 1. Oh my, yo, give me one more. Okay, how many times?
Bro,
I'm
not meant to catch these chicken nuggets in my mouth, alright? We all have our talents, and this isn't mine.
Zach's doing.
I want a slider. That's perfect. Do that again.
I'm all about the throws. Ready?
What do you call that throw?
There was no point where it was suspended in the air.
No, I'll do the air time, bro. I'm not a bitch.
Ready?
Fine, get this. I'll take 2 letters.
Oh, there was air time.
Pick a letter.
The connection.
That was a practice. That was a practice. That was a practice.
Oh
That was a
my.
practice. 3, 2, 1. That counts. It was a bad.
That's what you did.
But you recovered.
That's what you did.
I got SK. I'll take the SK.
SKWA. Yeah, I'm down to finish this game with my half nug. I want to do the full court throw.
Just have to be a part of this. 3.
Dustin, what?
Is my mouth this?
3. Harder than you think.
Oh! Let's go! I got it. Second try. 3, 2, 1.
Ready? 3.
Same kind of toss. Don't.
1. Nice.
Did you get it?
Yeah, that was a worse throw too.
Yeah.
You had to move.
I call Illuminati. That was some fuck shit. You want to try that, Dustin?
I just did. I felt. Oh, but I felt that when. No.
No.
I felt that when it didn't, because he chose a different thing.
What?
I'm sorry. You just got named by the.
Alright. I'd like to go out with a bang.
Alright.
From here?
Yep, I'm going out with a bang.
Dustin's going out with a bang.
We're going whole nugget.
Whole nugget?
Can I have a funnel? No, I'm talking top of the house. I want this thing to be like a freaking meteor.
He's got it saved. 3, 2, 1, drop.
Oh!
What happened?
I hit my chin.
Ready? Drop!
Oh! You got slapped with a chicken right here.
Drop the nugget!
It went in! Oh my god! Did I go in?
Nah.
Nah, fuck.
Okay, Dustin's out.
Doesn't say, I dropped squat.
Alright. Here we go. Zach at the bottom of the stairs in a bridge, which I can't even do.
Like I'm saying,
Like, what the
all
fuck?
depends on the throw, because he's not moving to catch it.
Yeah, not a chance. And if he does, he's breaking his neck.
3, 2.
Alright, bro. If I make this shot,
Bro.
I win. And I can't do a bridge.
Okay, explain to me how I'm supposed to get into your mouth sideways.
Oh, shit!
Show me how much movement you got. Okay. That's just your You guys like a turtle, holy crap.
Okay, 3 tries?
Yeah.
3 tries, and if you get this, I lose.
I need 1.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Alright,
Good game.
let's go.
Good game.
Oh, the game's over.
Yeah, Wolfie won.
Threw the winning toss.
You did throw the winning toss. You got squad though first. You're out first.
I got assistant MVP is what I got. Alright.
And I got squad as well. And Wolfie.
I got S.
What up, Thunderbirds? So that is it for the Chicken Nugget Trick Shot Challenge. Big shout out to my big bro, Wolfie.
Winner.
And my boy, Dustin. If there's anybody out there who does not subscribe to either Wolfie Raps or Just Dustin, what I need you to do right now is head over to their channel and give them some true Thunderbird love.
Down with that.
And if you guys want to see another trick shot video with some more crazy snacks, I want to see 5K likes on this video.
Or hit 10K if you're a Wolf fan, because 5K is whack.
So that is it for us today. I gotta do my outro, but I need one of you to hold the camera.
Yeah.
So.